How does BitCheck work for cross-border merchants? Let's take a look at the example of a merchant who imports goods abroad. They initiate a BitCheck on XREX to send payment to the supplier. The crypto is held in escrow by XREX until the supplier sends the goods. After sending the goods, the supplier requests the release of the BitCheck. The importer confirms and releases the BitCheck, sending the funds across. The cross-border transaction is now complete. Watch more XREX videos to learn about the XREX brand and products.